Remember when they hated, didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't fall through. Now you hate yourself, you can't look at me, look at me. Yeah. You made me. Yeah. Look at me.
And what up, what's good with y'all? Today what we got going on is we're about to head over to my boy Nassant's. I'm about to have Nassant roll the fenders on the SC300. Currently it is not rubbing since I downsized to the 265s, but I did notice that when I look at the car from this angle right here, the rear actually looks like it has a pull on it with the over fenders. So what I want to do is I want to pull the fronts and give it that same kind of flow, because right now they're just flat. Because these are already rolled, I just want to pull it a little bit. So at the moment we're just waiting for Aaron to get here. Aaron has never rode in this car at 900 horsepower, which is kind of like, I don't know how that's happened, but he's never rode in the car since I've got it tuned and I finished it all up. So I told him to ride out there with me. I'm gonna give him a ride, that way he can see what this car feels like now, because before when he rode it didn't have the traction that it has now, it didn't have the power that it has now, and it was just overall, like, now it's so much more refined. Everything just does everything so much better. I know after he rides in this, he's probably gonna be more motivated to wanting to boost his car and get his Mustang done. I know it's been a minute since he's rode anything fast other than, you know, riding on his bike. What's up, blood?
What's up, blood?
It's your first time being in here since the tune, huh?
Since it's been back, nigga. From Twinkie every time.
We can't hook up for this, nigga. Giving it like, I want to say maybe like 30% throttle, just enough to load it. That way you get the load on the engine. Because what will happen is if you're on the brake hard enough and you give it too much throttle on brake boost, nigga, it'll start burning rubber, nigga. It'll start wanting to go, because now you're applying pressure to the motor. Yeah. And it's actually building power. So you locking the front brakes up, so you start doing a rolling burnout.
Because I've seen it before.
And you'll see videos where fools start brake boosting.
Yeah.
they'll be in the middle of brake boosting, and then the next thing you know, they fucking go crashing.
They had too much powder. Man, this motherfucker go.
Shit, nigga, he in the police car. I thought that was the police. And he's like, hey, I'm like, girl, we about to get windy. Can't have you going back to jail. We gonna have to get out of there.
Did you see everybody car getting taken this weekend?
From the sideshow?
Yeah. I'm like, wow. It was people that was at work getting their car took, bro.
He turned around. He got behind us. But yeah, that's why I do not do the sideshow, bro. That's why, like, at most you'll see, like, this is probably the most I've been hooning around.
Yeah.
Other than that, it's like, feel me? We don't go to the runs. We don't go to the sideshows. We usually just chilling. You know you like that shit. You know you want to go turbo. You know you want that.
50 to turbo to 50.
No, you want to. You know you want that boost.
Why you think I keep saying I'm thinking about getting that kit and then just get it balanced?
I know somebody using the CX Racing turbo kit, and it's like, their car works perfectly fine.
Yeah.
It's like, if you want to do it cheap, the cheapest I would do it is like a CX Racing kit. So we're just getting here to Nassant's house. My dumb self, I left the freaking lug key. Hella fell. Aaron was rushing me, man.
I ain't rushing.
Then left the key, rookie move. And I got about 30 of these keys for so many different lug nuts, and I don't have not one in my car.
Not one.
Not one. Big rookie. So Nassant gotta run me over to AutoZone now. All because of Aaron. Car even smell hella new, huh?
Yeah.
That leather. Oh, copyright, yo. Hey, where's, oh no. Shit. Man, deep. All because Nassant over here doing fender rolls and he ain't got, how you not have these, man?
Hey, it ain't my job to have the keys.
This is job security though.
Lightweight. How about this? Everybody that comes and brings a car, donate a key. Except for future, I got you. And everybody else, and your homies. Other than that, I got generic shit.
This common ass key, yo. It be sound like it's farting.
They're called DSG farts.
I know, right? Right before the rain come down.
And I can get some wet hooks on
Look,
the way.
much better now. Way better. We got clearance, shouldn't rub at all now. So everything's all done. We're saying bye to Nassant.
Nissan saying bye.
Croissant, Nassant.
Nissan. You gotta make me a shirt at this point. Like, with my face as a croissant.
Croissant?
Or something.
Hey, don't tempt me. I'll find somebody to draw it up right now.
I'm not kidding.
Hey, we should start doing merch like that.
I'll literally rock that, make it my profile pic for a week.
Hoodie for you.
Can we get a run? Can we get one? Can we get a run?
I don't think we gonna get one.
SC, yo?
Fast. From the last time I was in it.
So you gonna go boost it now or what?
I gotta go boost.
This fool, ooh, ran over some glass.
Oh, boy, fuck my tire.
This fool got the boost bug. He over here looking at either A, a single turbo kit, or B, a twin turbo kit. So,
Thinking about it.
forged pistons, rods, standalone, and some boost. Be out here yiking.
Boost brake.
This fool still ain't listening, yo. I be telling him, make a YouTube, don't want to listen. Nigga hard headed. When I'm out here with 1 million subs and he could have been right behind me, but he don't want to be listening, you feel me? When I'm out here living that Adam LZ life one of these days, you feel me? Out here making $50,000 a week, you know what I'm saying?
That's what's up. Somebody gotta do it.
Hey, you know, you got it. The whole team could do it if niggas would listen. They will not make a channel. Alright, so since this is your boy's last day of eating what he want, we decided to stop by here real quick. Cause tomorrow I'm back on my diet. The quarantine ain't been all that good to me. I was on the road doing cool, dropped like 38 pounds, and now I picked back up probably like 12. So I gotta get back on my diet. I don't care if I gotta start doing cardio and body weights, but this is my last good meal, I guess I could say. And then it's back on the keto and eating healthy lifestyle and working out. Well, you see this boy out here chub. All right, just getting back to the house. Hopefully I don't got no sour cream or nothing on my lips and the corner of my mouth. But yeah, just getting back to the house and I'm full. About to go in here, chillax, and probably edit some more footage. So today was just a little chill, little baby ride along and getting a little bit of work done, but nothing too crazy today. So yeah, I'm gonna be wrapping this up. Deuces. Till next time.
I've been going too crazy, these niggas too shady. Speed limit 65, I'm about to do 80. Fuck the niggas hating on.